Welcome to Healthier Living. If you're here with us, it's because you want to have a healthier lifestyle. And to have a healthier life, it all starts with your immune system. I will be providing you with some few natural herbs that studies have shown to contain potent therapeutic properties that can give you a boost to your immune system for a more healthier life. In this video, I will be providing you with 5 natural herbs that promote the health of the immune system that helps us kill viruses and to fight off infections. Make sure to watch to the very end because there is one many people overlook. So let's jump right into it. Welcome to our channel once again. This is Healthy Living. This content is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please consult with your physician with any questions that you may have regarding a medical condition. Now, let's find out which 5 herbs are beneficial to the human body and our immune system. Can you take a guess? Let's start off with the first one, which is number 1, mullein. This one is a herb that's been used as a remedy for the lungs and respiratory tract thanks to its soothing ingredients it has. Its leaves has antibacterial properties that fight against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. That's why it's a great way to boost the immune system. Studies even shows it has antiviral and antifungal properties as well that kills different viruses and fungi. This is a plus when it comes to treating breathing issues that are related to colds and respiratory infection that affects the breathing. The best way to consume mullein is in a herbal tea, or you can add the concentrated extract to beverages as well. Number 2, astragalus. This one became popular in the Chinese community regarding medicine and is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory component it has. It's also proven that astragalus root can boost the body's resistance to infection and increase the immune responses as well. That's what makes it a great option for people who want a stronger immune system and to decrease their chances of being affected by the viruses and bacteria. It's also known to treat a wide variety of sickness like the common cold, allergies, and chronic fatigue, which is tiredness. Number 3, ginseng. We all know it's a herb used by the Asian a lot for centuries for medical purposes. Ginseng is known for its potent antioxidant properties, which works well for fighting inflammations. It's not only beneficial for your lungs, it's pretty much good for every system and organ in the human body. Yes, you guessed it. It's also good for the immune system as well. It does so by building the immune cells and helps fight and ward off viruses and infections. Number 4, elderberry. This plant has become very well known over its years. Why is that? That's because it's very well known for its antimicrobial and antibacterial and antifungal properties. These makes it very useful for boosting the immune system and treating colds, infection, and viruses. The other name it goes by is sambucus. They usually use it to make cough syrups. If you find these syrups or have it, to give your immune system a boost, you can take 1 dose of tablespoon a day, or if you are already sick, you can increase the dosage to 2 to 3 tablespoons. Even though elderberries are safe, we never want to overdo it. As usual, check with your doctor for a recommended dosage that's right for you. Before the reveal of the fifth herb, remember there will be links in the description for a wide variety of vitamins, supplements that you can choose from that best suits you to have an even healthier life. Number 5. Eucalyptus. The eucalyptus tree originated from Australia and was used as food for wild animals for hundreds of years. It was then discovered by humans out of curiosity that found use of its positive health benefits. The leaves of the eucalyptus tree can be distilled and diluted into an essential oil which can be used for medical purposes like treating common cold, sinuses congestion, fever, and other respiratory ailments. Eucalyptus also has components named cineal, which is an active ingredient that works as an expectorant. This means it can aid in the removal of secretion and can ease your coughing as well. A fun fact is that cineal has antioxidant and antimicrobial effects that can provide a boost to your immune system too. It reacts to mucous membranes of the lungs and help loosen up secretion so that they can be coughed out even easier. We all get sick sometimes, and there's natural way Mother Nature helps us get through them even faster by strengthening our immune system to avoid getting sick in the first place. Here's a quick recap of all the natural herbs that can help boost your immune system. Number 1. Mullein. Number 2. Astragalus. Number 3. Ginseng. Number 4. Elderberry. And lastly, number 5. Eucalyptus. We will go over the hidden benefits of garlic on our next video, so do subscribe so you don't miss out anything from healthy living. Which herb that wasn't mentioned do you like? Which one of the mentioned herbs are you planning to try out, if not all? Let us know in the comments section. And I'd like to thank you very much for watching. This is Healthy Living. Until next time.